Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing an intense 20-minute cha-cha workout. Alrighty guys, so we are going to start out a little bit simpler, and each song we're going to add more steps, so by the end, at the last song, we're going to have a whole routine. Get ready, we're going to start with a time step. We're going to start slow. Here we go. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Side together, side, together, together. Side together, side, together, together. Side together, side, together, together. Side together, side. Get ready. Here we go. Cha-cha, 1, together. Cha-cha, 1, together. Cha-cha, 1, together. Very good. So this is our time step. Cha-cha-cha, together. Side together, side, together. Side together, side. That's our first step of our routine. Get ready, because next we're gonna do a basic step. Get ready. And 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha forward. 2, 3. Cha-cha back. 2, 3. Cha-cha, we go forward with the left. Then we go back with the right. 2, 3. Cha-cha forward with the left. 2, 3. Cha-cha back. And here we go. Cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 1, back. Cha-cha 1. Side together, side, back. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, forward. Ready? Back to that time step. Cha-cha-cha, time. Cha-cha-cha, time. Cha-cha-cha, time. Now, basic step. Forward. Back. Forward. Time step. Time step. We do 4 of them. This was 2. This is 3. That's 4. Now, basic. This is 1. That's 2. This is 3. And 4. Very good, guys. Alrighty, we are moving on to our next step, which is going to be our New York. Again, we're gonna do it nice and slow, just so we can get that step down, and then we'll put it together with that time step and basic step. Two, 3. Cha-cha, 1. Cross. 3. Cha-cha, 1. Cross. Side together, side. Cross. Side together, side. Cross. Side together, side. If you notice, when we do that cross, we're opening. We're turning. We're facing a new direction on that cross. Cross. Very good. We're going to do these last 2. Then we're going to speed it up. Okay, here we go. 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Cha-cha-cha. Cross. Very good, guys. Keep this up. Get those arms pumping. Full body involvement. And last one. Very good. Back to the time step. That's 1, 2. So we're going to do 4 of everything. 3, 4. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Now New York. 1, 2, 3. Back to the time step. 1, 2, 3. Basic step. Back. Forward. Ready? New York. And cross right foot over. Left foot. And stop. Very good. We're going to go into our hand-to-hand. Get ready. stepping back. Very good. Side together, side, left foot back. And side together, side, right foot back. Side together, side, left foot back. Side together, side. And if you notice, it's almost like the same thing as doing in New York. But instead of stepping forward, we're just stepping back. So we are changing that direction. And back. Last one. And here we go. And cha-cha one. Back. And cha-cha one. Okay. Let's pick it up with this song. We're gonna go full tempo, hand to hand. Here we go. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, back. 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 Cha-cha-cha. Last one. Get ready. Time. Step. That's 1. This is 2. That's 3. Basic going forward, left foot. And back. And forward. And New York. Cross it over. Do it again. 2 more times. This is it. Hand to hand. Back. 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 Last one. Back to that time step. Here we go. Use those arms. Basic step. Back. Forward. Get ready. New York. Cross it over. Very good, guys. Hand to hand. Step it back. Get ready. We're going to learn a new step. Spot turn is the next step. Here we go. And cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 1. Step and turn. Cha-cha 1. Step, turn. Cha-cha 1. Step, turn. Cha-cha 1. Step, turn. Cha-cha 1. Step, turn. Cha-cha 1. Get ready. And 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. All right, guys. We're going to pick up that spot turn with this music. Full tempo. Get ready. And 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. 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 This is the last one. Get ready. Time step. This is 1. That's 2. This is 3. 4. Going forward. Bring it back. Bring it forward. And New York. Open it up. Very good, guys. And hand to hand. 2, 3. 2, 3. And spot turn. Cha-cha-cha. And back to the time step. Basic. Very good, guys. Keep it going. New York. And hand to hand. Spot turn. Very good, guys. This is the last one. We're gonna go 3 cha-cha-cha. And 2, 3. We go cha-cha-cha. Open cha-cha-cha. Back. New York. 2, 3. Side together, side. Forward lock, step. Side together, side. Open. Very good. We're at normal tempo. Keep it up. Very good. And time step. Time step. And very good, guys. Here we go. We're gonna pick up with this song. We're gonna go straight into that time step. Basic New York, hand to hand, spot turn, 3 cha-cha-chas. We're gonna run it through twice. Here we go. And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. And basic. Very good, guys. Keep it going. Open up, New York. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. And hand to hand. Back. Get ready for spot turn. Here we go. Very good. Last one. 3 cha-chas. 1, 2, 3. Open. We're gonna repeat again. Here we go. Cha-cha-cha. All right, back to the beginning. Here we go. Basic. Very good. Open, New York, go. And hand to hand. Back, back, back. Very good, guys. I know we didn't finish that 2 times around. That's all right. Right now, I'm gonna teach you the next step, nice and slow. We have our Cuban break. Let's do it slow. Here we go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cross, side, cross, side, cross. Do it again. Cross, side, cross, side. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Cross, cross. 2, 3, get ready and go. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3. Woo! 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. This is fast. Keep those steps nice and compact and tight so you can make that fast timing. 2, 3. Be light on those feet. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, and good. All right, guys, here we go. From the top, and 2, 3, time step. Basic step. Very good. Here we go. New York. Hand to hand. Spot turn. Three cha-cha-chas. Very good. Another one. Get ready. Cuban break. 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Again. back to that time step. Keep it going. Basic. Forward. Back. Forward. New York. Cross. 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 Cross and hand to hand. Back. 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 Get ready. Spot. Turn. 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 Very good. 3 touches. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Repeat. Ready? Cuban break. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. All right, guys. Whew. Very good. We are going to add one more step into this. We are going to do a step called there and back. We're going to start off with a time step. Get ready. Slow. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. We do time, step, 2. Another time. We run, back, run, 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 back, forward, run, 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 together, and again, cha, 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 together, cha, 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 together, run back, run, 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 back, forward, run, 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 together, do it again, cha, 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 very good, guys, keep it up. Run, 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 back, forward, run, run, run. All right, guys, here we go. Full tempo. Just the there and back. Here we go. And 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Run it back. 2, 3, run it forward. Go. Cha-cha-cha. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Run, run, run. Run, 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 and stop. All right, here we go. Everything together. And 2, 3. Very good. Basic. And New York. And hand to hand. Spot, turn. 3 cha-cha-cha. Keep going. All right. Cuban break. And again. And here we go. New step, there and back. Again. Do it again. And very good. Alrighty, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.